In the following example, we're asked to state the expositions of discontinuity and identify which of those discontinuities are wholes. So let's look at our graph here. All right, let's see, where is this discontinuous? Well, let's see, we were moving our pencil along the graph, and where might we pick up our pencil? Well, right here. Continue right along, and where might we pick up our pencil again? Right here, because it jumps. Okay, and then it continues. Well, we noticed there was a hole at this function value, and this is at -1, 2, 3, -4. Okay, so we have a discontinuity. At x equals -4. This is a hole, okay, so I'll just denote it as a hole. And then we have another discontinuity at, let's see here, 1, 2, 3. We have a discontinuity at 3, and this is one where we would call it a jump. It didn't ask us for any jumps, but I'm going to state that it's a jump just so that you see. Okay, now we're looking for some limits here. The limit as x goes to -4 from the left hand side. So -4 again is right here. So as we're moving in from the left hand side, our function is approaching what y value? Well, it's approaching 1. So our answer there is 1. Okay, now let's look at the next one as we're approaching -4 from the right. So we're approaching -4 from the right hand side, and again our y value is approaching 1. No surprise there. So now the next question is the limit as x approaches -4 in general of the function f of x. Well, our left and right hand side are equal to each other. So that means that the limit as x approaches -4 of f of x equals, you guessed it, it equals 1. Okay, because the left and right hand side are equal to each other. Now let's look at the next part. The limit as x approaches 3 from the left hand side. So here we are approaching 3 from the left, and we're moving in, and we get to a y value of approximately -1. It's actually exactly -1. Okay, now let's look at the next limit. Okay, the limit is x approaches 3 from the right hand side. So here is our function. We're approaching 3 from the right hand side, and we are getting close to 1, 2, 3, -3 right in this area. So this will be -3. Okay, now the last part of this says the limit as x approaches 3 of the function f of x. Well, again, check to see whether or not the left and the right hand side are equal. The left hand side was -1, the right hand side was -3. They don't equal each other. In this case, the limit in general is said to not exist, so we write dne does not exist. So this is talking about continuity and limits by looking at a graph and interpreting this. So it's actually quite simple to do. So good luck.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.